No, 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 stop! Stop! You're hurting me! No, please! No more! I can't take this no more! Stop hurting me! No! No! I'm not allowed to say no.
I guess shopping can be painful, huh?
Excuse me?
I'm sorry. It just looked like you were in some pain there.
Do I know you? Or do you just happen to live next door to me? Let me rephrase that. You don't know me.
Whoa, whoa, slow your roll. I didn't mean to get you all worked up this evening. You have a good night. I'll take the stairs.
Hip-hop plays me in a fantasy. The day I heard it, knew I'd be a part of history.
Stops when you wanted to stop.
Niggas spit 16 like 5 flamethrower. Gutter like soda, the shit like Manoa. Bomb stock stores, commercial hardcore, rip tours. Clean ones visit encores. Tripping like Simone, now money built. Pounded. Know how many times I've been found guilty? Everybody who judged me and kissed my ass. Hope your pain spread out like a shotgun blast. F-task force, jumped out Thursday. A&Reds, gangsters to lock up. Electric time still whopped up, being grown. Money in school zone, smell me good like cologne. Your bitch phone, I rob you with phone. Run your house, tongue your spouse, her ex after in the mouth. Got you good, like that thing in between her thighs. Wrap sharp like a dark ops blade on both sides. 16.
Really crowded in here tonight. I'm glad the last available washing machine was right next to me.
Look, you think you have all the answers. Well, you don't. You don't live my life and you don't walk in my shoes.
No, I don't get beat to sleep every night. Sorry, I can't relate to that. But what I can tell you is that you don't have to put up with that. A man would only do what you allow him to do. And once you give him power over you, you become the punching bag.
Whatever. At least he doesn't beat me in my face.
Yeah, not yet. But it's just a matter of time.
What are you, a cop?
No, I'm not a cop.
Well, now that my life is an open book, who are you?
Guess you could say I'm a repairman.
And what do you repair?
I sometimes repair people.
Great. You're a shrink. Well, my life should be right up your alley.
Is there a problem, nigga?
Actually, there is, player. See, every night, I go to sleep to the rhythm of you slamming your lady into the wall. And to be honest with you, I don't like that shit.
Let me tell you something, man. You knock on my door again with this bullshit, it's gonna be some flowers and sad songs being sung in front of your door. You got that, nigga? I'm gonna throw the nigga on my damn door.
Damn, I told you, it's just a matter of time.
What a freak. What a freak. I wanna look sleeping in. Smack on that soft booty. What we do behind closed doors, we do on set. I get that Uchi wet, then work the persona sweat. I love a girl good like marijuana. Loving basketball to ballin' with loving Anna. Live living the box, some data get over floss. Get naked in my loft, but definitely set it off.
I can't change him. So I need you to kill him before he kills me. I've been saving for a rainy day.
Amy Cobb there.
What a freak. What a freak. I wanna love you pretty actresses. I wanna love you pretty actresses. I marry Stacey Dash, still be pimping hoes. Iman, once you take off them clothes, I might propose. If I could be a sheik with concubines, killing more Tyra Banks and Madonna would do me fine. My side pieces.
As you can see, I could have ended your life anytime I wanted to. Don't ask me why I'm doing this, because you already know. So my next question to you is, how much pain do you want to feel before you leave here?
A license plate found at the scene shows that the car was registered to your husband. Partial remains of a body were also discovered at the scene, but it'll be weeks before we will have a positive identification.